In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cave sound in Soundtrap. If your vocals or instruments sound like they were recorded in a tunnel, the culprit is almost always heavy reverb or time-based effects sitting on your track while you're recording. The fix is simple. Record dry, then add a tiny bit of space later if you want it. Start by clicking the vocal or instrument track that sounds boomy or distant. Open the effects panel for that track so you can see exactly what's active. Look for anything labeled reverb, delay, or echo. These are the effects that create that big, washed-out sound. Turn them off, bypass them, or remove them entirely for now. If you see a wet, dry, or mix control, make sure it's set to 0 or that the effect is disabled. Some presets load with reverb baked in, so even if you didn't add it yourself, it might still be on. The goal is to hear your mic or instrument exactly as it is, with no added ambience. With effects off, do a quick test recording. You should notice your voice or instrument is suddenly much closer and more focused. That's what record dry means, capturing a clean, uncolored signal. It might feel less exciting in your headphones at first, but this approach gives you control later and prevents that hollow, cave-like quality from being stamped onto the take. Once you've captured a solid, dry recording, you can add a light touch of reverb if the performance needs a bit of space. Keep it subtle. Choose a small room or plate style, keep the decay short, and set the mix low so it supports the sound rather than swallowing it. Think of reverb like seasoning. You can always add a pinch, but too much will mask clarity and push the track to the back of the mix. If you're unsure, start with a very low amount, then toggle it on and off to compare. If you feel the presence and intelligibility drop when it's on, dial it back. To recap, the cave sound is almost always heavy reverb or echo on the track during recording. Click the track, open effects, and turn off or remove reverb, delay, and echo. Record dry, then add a small controlled amount of reverb afterward only if needed. Follow that workflow, and your recordings in Soundtrap will immediately sound cleaner, closer, and more professional.